Today we're gonna go get the truck washed up. It's kind of a crappy day, so we're not gonna do the best job in the world, but it's a little bit dirty. Can benefit from a wash. You know, one of the things I really love about this truck is the 2G swap with the big gnarly turbo. Love the whistle it can put off. Let me see if I can't get a little whooshy whoosh in here. Nope, that's rolling a crap load of coal. Oop, hard stop. Alright, let's see if we can get that whoosh in here now without rolling a crap load of coal on the car behind me. You can kind of hear it. There we go. You know, this truck's been a pretty good build so far in the year-ish that I've had it. We can make a little build list video if that's what interests people, but you know, like and subscribe and keep following the channel. It's gonna be a pretty decent build over the next few years, so got a lot that I want to do to this truck, but anyway, time-lapse time. table's all clean. I kind of got a little bit of soot all over me from when I sprayed out my tailpipe, but that's all right. We had fun. All right, so let's do an after shot here and see how clean we got. It's probably not going to be the best in the world. It's going to look like shit when it dries, but did a little after camera spray down, made sure it looked a little bit better than with just one hand. There's a clean 2012 Mega Cab 6.7 Cummins right there for you. Make sure to follow the channel. We're going to be doing a lot of building to this vehicle, hopefully in the upcoming year here. So change the color, maybe get a little more lifted, new injectors, maybe put it on some wides. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Let's do some drying off. No, this little fucker came out of nowhere. Oh man, I was getting eaten alive by mosquitoes watching this old girl. Speed bump, not a challenge for me. Oh. Okay, maybe a little bit. Peel out of here. To rip some shitties right now. Sounds like I'm about to poop myself. The urge to do some burnouts right now is insane. What a nice day to make people's eardrums bleed.